Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Valtares and you are in G Technology channel, and today we are going to talk about iPhone 14 with OLED display with 120 Hz of frame rates, okay? But before of that, I would like to tell you, if you want to participate with me during this live, I stream this every Thursday, and you can go there clicking on the link on the description, go to the GTech Live, participate with me, because there we can chat and talk about everything on technology. If you don't know, I already have a YouTube channel in Brazil. The name is G Tecnologia, and there I talk about all of those things in Portuguese. If you would like to learn how to speak Portuguese, please go there and participate with me, watching my live there and watching my videos there, that I make a lot of good things there as well. So let's go to the news. All members of the iPhone 14 family to sport 100 Hz LTPO OLED panels. It's probably clear by now that only the Pro models of the iPhone 13 lineup will feature with 120 Hz LTPO OLED panels, with the vanilla 13 models to get 6 Hz displays. That's because only Samsung can make LTPO screens, and it doesn't have the capacity to produce enough units. However, LG is hoping to set up its game and start producing the required panels by next year. According to the Korean media outlet, the LEC, the company could meet demands for the iPhone 14 launch. LG is already in talks with Avaco, which is supplying LTPO panel making equipment, and is waiting Apple's approval for the production line. And only the Avaco can start shipping equipment to LG production's plan. If all goes according to plan, LG should be able to cover the non-Pro iPhone 14 models and even embark on a Samsung's iPhone Pro territory. This should allow Apple to diversify its panel supply even further, reducing its reliance on Samsung. It's very interesting because iPhone always made good screens without OLED display, and during the last years they are trying to put OLED display on those new smartphones, and Samsung already does this with every top flagship smartphone they create. Xiaomi already do this, Huawei already do this. Every company of smartphone are creating better smartphone with better screen OLEDs, and iPhone are getting behind on screens, are getting behind on cameras, and they need to improve this because they already make a good job. They already create very good screens, very good cameras, but with the time they can be outraged. So they need to improve the screen, they need to put better screen OLED, but when they are doing this, they have to buy OLED screen from Samsung. Samsung is a rival of Apple. They are competing with Apple on the top of the best smartphone of the world, and maybe for them buy screen OLED from Samsung, and they are giving money for Samsung, and Samsung are getting are being better because Apple use their own chipset. Apple use their own hardware, in the general. Apple use their own software, and they don't sell it for other companies. They don't let, for example, Xiaomi, Samsung, Motorola using their chipset. So they just earn money selling their products for their clients. They don't earn money selling components for other companies. As the way I saw everything happens, just other companies sell their products for other companies, just like Samsung sell their OLED screen, they sell their sensor of camera, Xiaomi buy everything from everyone, and Apple is just there creating those things, but they don't create AMOLED screen. If they create AMOLED screen, but I don't think they can create a better AMOLED screen if they are wanting to buy from Samsung, if they are wanting to buy from LG. The one thing I would do to have it's a better iPhone 4. We have the good product every time that we go to the store and buy the new product from Apple with the expensive money, expensive price they put on their product. So if you liked what I'm talking, if you want to participate with me during the live, if you want to comment during the live and be part of the stream, go to my YouTube channel GTech Live. Just click on the link on the description, go there, participate with me every Thursday, okay? So that's it. See you guys in the next clip.